look straight into the mirror, you can see the shadow effect that it has given me. Okay, sit, listen to music and keep contouring. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a small tutorial on my base makeup. Okay, now by base makeup I don't mean just foundation, because the last time I just showed you how I apply my foundation, but this time I'm going to show you most of the stuff. Okay, so I have already applied my moisturizer. Before we get started with this video, I would like to ask you all to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and watch this video till the very end, okay, and give it a huge thumbs up if you like it. So first up, I'm going to start. I've already actually applied a moisturizer, but I like a little more hydrated these days because it's getting a little bit dry over here in Bangalore. And yeah, that's it. For that extra hydration, what I do is I take this Nivea cream, okay, and this is very thick, okay, so it makes your skin very dewy if you apply it before your makeup. I especially go around my eyes because they get dry really fast and we use a little bit of powder, and then I go on my neck and I apply on my chest, okay, and then you massage it quite nicely into your skin so that it makes your skin look smooth if you apply nice moisturizer. Okay, now you can see my skin actually looks really healthy and dewy, though it's not at all healthy. You can see I've been breaking out quite a lot. The last few days have been a bit stressful. Now I'm going to take my primer. This is my trusted primer, Nykaa Prep Me Up. I will take a little bit, just this much you need, and I will apply onto my T-zone and on my cheek area. You guys don't even need primer. It's not like the necessity. For me, I actually do not prefer primers so much because you know, it's like adding on to extra layers, and you can manage without primer. So I am thinking after my whole stash of primer gets over, I am not gonna buy primers anymore. Okay, until anyone sends me. Hoping that somebody sends me. What I need the most right now is color correction. So I take a darker shade of foundation. This is the Makeup Revolution stick, and I will just go on to the area where I've got hyperpigmentation. You can see around my mouth I have little, and onto my nose, then under my eyes, and then here. Here I've got. Just dab it onto wherever you can see hyperpigmentation. Okay, and I think I'm done. I love this foundation stick because it has a very nice red undertone which will help you correct your dark circles or hyperpigmentation. Now what you have to do is you do not have to blend it, you have to just pat this in, okay? If you blend this, then the hyperpigmentation will again show up. So what you have to do is you have to just pat this in. This was one of the mistakes I was doing actually. I was blending this as well onto my whole face, and my face was looking darker than usual. I don't know why, but today I'm gonna go with the Lakme one. It's lighter than my skin tone, but you know what? I have applied the corrector, so my face is looking darker than my skin tone. I'm just gonna dot this on my full face with the help of my finger. You can do anything, whatever you like. Since this foundation is really sheer, if I put the beauty blender in the product and then try to blend, then this product will not come on my face. This is a beautiful foundation for those who have a really oily skin. I wish they launched more shades in this particular range because it's amazing. Also, one more thing they should do with this particular range is that reduce the amount of fragrance they're putting in. It's 2020 and nobody likes fragrance. Just keep patting your skin with a beauty sponge because you know it will take the excess product and it will also blend the product beautifully on your skin, okay? Just keep doing this for at least 30 seconds after you're done blending. Okay, so this is done. What I'm gonna do is I'm not going to be concealing my face because I forgot the concealer. So yeah, initially when I did not have concealer, like when I started my channel, I did not have a concealer. What I used to do, I used to take powder and I used to pat it under my under eyes and used to give beautiful highlights, beautiful finish. So that's the same thing I'm gonna do today. So for contouring, I've used this brush. This has been my favorite. Don't ask me which brush is this because I got it from a Lakme store. Actually, not even me, my sister got it free from a Lakme store. So but it works beautifully for contouring. Now I'm gonna show you how I contour. I dip my brush completely, then I dust off the excess. Okay, and then what I do is I just go here. Okay, here. I don't make the fishy face. Okay, I used to make that on my contour line. Used to come over here. What I do is I just look into the mirror and I just go like this. You can see the distance. This is your cheekbone area and you go like a little under it and then you start blending it, okay? And you have to blend it a lot. It will look really patchy like this. Now, if I look straight into the camera and you can see how this cheek looks and how this side looks, okay? How this side looks and how this side looks. This side looks a bit more chiseled and nice. So that's why I love contouring actually. I call it like contouring and bronzing. I do not know what I do exactly, so you can call it anything. People call it brontouring actually. And then what I do is I actually go on up till here and then I take it from here. Since I have a huge forehead, I contour my forehead as well. So I will actually take it like this and then I will keep. I love to keep blending it because it looks really natural if you keep doing that, okay? So take a soft brush and listen to music and keep contouring. Now you'll see, initially it was looking so patchy, now it's looking so nice and blended. And if I look straight in the mirror, you can see the shadow effect that it has given me, okay? Anyway, if you guys have any suggestion for a good contouring powder, drugstore one preferably, I have Hoola. I like it also, but I like drugstore products because you know what, I don't hesitate to use them. The high-end ones, I feel that I should keep it for some event or if I'm going to some special place. So yeah, if you have any drugstore recommendations, please give it to me. Then I go and contour my forehead. I go very heavy on my forehead because my forehead is so big. So you can literally see the line right now, but I will blend it quite nicely. Done with both the sides. What I'm gonna do is now, what you have to do is when you want to contour your cheekbone now, double chin. So you go here, okay, here, exactly here, and then you start coloring it. Yeah, that's the word I'm gonna use. You keep on doing this. What you have to do, the perfect trick is actually you have to bring it a little on top, and then keep blending it to give that defined shape, okay? And you have to go like this, you have to go all the way down to make it appear darker. Your neck, not neck, I don't contour my neck, I go till here. Now once I'm done with my neck and jawline, what I'm gonna do is I take a little bit of product, dust it off a lot because I don't want, and then I go onto my nose and I just do this. I do not go and draw those shapes because my nose is pretty much fine. I just like to contour these days, okay? So I just go and make it thin. What I do is I go randomly like this. What is the sound? Okay, I just go like this. Go down, so it makes it look really thin, and then later I'm just gonna highlight my bridge, and yeah, that's that guys, it's done. So now with the same brush I'm just gonna take the highlighting powder, which you cannot see. I don't see, can you see this thin line? Yeah, I use that because I don't want to waste product. Yeah, dust off the excess. See, it has come on the brush. I'm using the same brush. I do not like to change the brushes so often. I mean, it's doing the job. So then I take it under my eyes. This powder is brilliant for brightening your under eyes and whatever you want to. It's a really good brightening powder, so you can definitely invest in this product. It's amazing. And with this, what I do is I do not blend it and buff it. What I do is I pat it in. I pat it really nicely. I go to my forehead, like since I have, you know, contoured my full forehead, I just like to do this, okay? Like this. Only in the center I like to brighten it. And then after brightening, like after patting it in, I'm just gonna blend it on the sides, okay? So that it blends out smooth. And the crucial part, now you can see it's a little bit, you know, messy over here. It's almost looking brown. What I do is I just draw this line and I'm just gonna blend it. Now you can see the difference. It makes it look like sharp contour, which I love. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend this out then carefully. Cleaning contour is really, you know, cleaning your contour makes a huge difference. Try it and let me know. Okay, you can take this brush, this kind of brush. This is an angle sort of a brush from Wet n Wild. I'm trying to search for the number to tell you guys. Anyways, I'll give a link in the bio. I'll give a link in the description box, okay, of all the products that I'm using today. You can buy any you like. Okay, for today I'm gonna use this Maybelline V-Face. I don't know if you guys know this. You know what? This was one of my first purchase, and this was from my own money. So what had happened in college in third year, I guess I won some competition, something, and I got 750 rupees, and this itself costed like around 500 rupees. It's way expensive, okay? That time I thought, no, it's okay. Makeup is supposed to be expensive, but no, it's way expensive. But I love it. I finished quite a lot, and I love the brush that they give with this. Okay, this is really good, really good. That's why I've not thrown this brush. I keep it really nicely. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip my brush, and then I'm just gonna. So over a few weeks, my technique to apply blush has changed. So for initially, I used to take from my apple of my cheek till here on my nose, and then like I used to draw this line. I'm not saying I don't love that method. I would still do it on some days, but right now I've been loving this method of just blushing your cheekbone. I'm so sorry for that sound, okay? So it's like you go on top of your contour, not on top of it, like on top of it, not on top of it. I don't know if I'm making sense. These days, to be very honest, I don't feel like highlighting my face. For some reason, I like a complete matte look, but I'm gonna highlight in this video, maybe. So for this, I'm going to use my In Color Shimmer Brick. It's a very good highlighter brick. Okay, a good dupe for Too Faced, Makeup Revolution, Nykaa, whatever you wanna call, because this is the cheapest. So it can give you a really beaming highlighting glow, or you can make it more subtle. It totally depends on you, so be very careful. One thing about me, I do not like to invest a lot in highlighters, firstly because you know what, one will go on for years and nobody wears highlighter to your workplace, or nobody wears highlighter on a daily basis, so you know you don't need highlighters that much. Okay, I think I'm good with this amount of highlight on my face. I think I'm good. I really don't want a lot. And I think after this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Swiss Beauty makeup fixing spray, although I do not like this much. Not because it does not do its job properly. I think it does its job properly, but because you know what, if it goes into your eyes, it hurts. Secondly, the fragrance is too bad. It gives you a headache. But I'm gonna use it. I want to use it since I want to finish this. this step will ensure that all your makeup is blended in properly. I'll quickly do my eye makeup and be right back. So I'm back with everything done. You can see I have taken a blush. I have actually done a blushed pink eye look with a white liner, and yeah, paired up with these earrings and this necklace, neck piece, neck chain, whatever you want to call it. I love it. So do let me know if you want me to do a different series on how to apply different products on your face. I would be happy to do so. Okay, and if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. If you like this look, please do comment. Please do comment and let me know if you like this look, because I certainly love it. And yeah, if you have any other video recommendations, please leave it down in the comment section. I would be happy to do any kind of video. And about this beautiful chain and earrings, these are available on my sister's page, which is called Beads on Hook. I'll leave the link in the description box. Okay, so you can shop from there, and it's all over India. We deliver all over India, so be happy. And she just now launched a new collection, which is amazing. Trust me, you gotta take a look.